Hey friends, how is everybody doing? Okay, so it's summertime and we are actually getting ready tomorrow to go out on a boat with another couple, and I thought, okay, I just got some new sunscreen in, and I saw this hack that I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm so excited about it because as much as I love our mineral sunscreen, it's really thick. So I have to make sure I put it all on before I leave the house, before I go to the beach, or anything I'm gonna do outside. And so wherever you are in the world, we know how important using sunscreen is, right? So we don't get skin cancer and aging and all of that. Although 30 minutes with nothing is really good. You get your good vitamin D. So I'm gonna show you a hack that I learned from my friend Gretchen Williamson. Thanks, Gretchen. I've never made it, so I'm gonna do it live right here for you guys. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna talk to you about some of the things that are in a lot of our sunscreens that are out there that are toxic to us. So I ordered this cool spray bottle from Amazon, and I will put it in the comments. I'll put a link to it. So I took it off. I'm gonna take this brand new sunscreen. This is our mineral sunscreen, and I like to get the 50 because I do not like to get, I swear, the older I age, the more I do not like to be in the sun, because I feel like I just get these age spots and yuckiness with sun. And I feel like I can't handle the sun anymore. Like, I love to be in the shade as much as possible. So while I'm putting this sunscreen in this bottle, I'm gonna talk to you guys. I just saw an article about some of the toxins that are in our sunscreen, and they tested 6 of the toxic chemicals in sunscreen. Those are oxybenzone, avobenzone, oxycrylene, homosalate, oxysalate. And they did the study on how much they're absorbed into your body. In fact, when you use it just one time, the study showed that it was 180 times higher than the safety of the FDA of what they want, in your body. So it's getting absorbed into your skin. As we've talked about, if you've been following me for any time, what we put on our bodies goes into our bodies, and that can be good or bad. So, and then after 4 days of use of sunscreen, 4 days in a row, which, think about, when you go on vacation, or, at this time of year, kids are out at the pool every day. It was up to 500 times the safety of what the FDA considers safe of these chemicals absorbed into our bodies. So it's super important to use a sunscreen that does not have chemicals. And one of the things I also jotted down was oxybenzone, which is one of the toxic chemicals in the sunscreen, can affect breast development, sperm function. Hello guys, make sure you're using a chemical-free sunscreen, and infant birth rate. So those are just some of the things. And on top of that, did you know that a lot of the sunscreens that have these toxins are killing our reefs? So in fact, Hawaii passed something, a bill, I believe it starts in 2021, that there's certain sunscreens that they're banning from the beach because the coral reefs are getting totally messed up from the toxins. So, all right, so I did almost all. I'm gonna leave a little bit for my face. So I emptied the sunscreen into here. Then you take a fractionated coconut oil. So this is an organic fractionated coconut oil that I ordered online. And the great thing about coconut oil is that has an SPF as well. So I'm gonna take that and lavender essential oil and carrot seed essential oil. Both of those have SPF properties in it, so we're adding to it. But the cool thing about so I already measured out, it's about 3 ounces of fractionated coconut oil. So I'm gonna pour this in here. And the great thing about this is not only is it adding in that sun protection, but it's making it a little bit thinner. So it's gonna spray on your body. It's so easy, especially at the beach. If you ever go to the beach or live near the beach like we do, I hate to reapply at the beach because you gotta put it on and then you get all grainy. So this is going to make it to a point where you can spray it on. All right, so I added the coconut oil. Now I am taking my Young Living lavender essential oil, absolutely amazing. This, by the way, is really great for your skin if you do get too much sun. Awesome to put on your skin afterwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, plus a bonus. So 10 drops of lavender, and then carrot seed. So you're gonna take carrot seed, which is great for your skin. Also has some SPF properties to it. We're gonna do 10 drops of that in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I actually just started using this as a serum under my eyes with some hemp oil, carrot seed and hemp oil and myrrh before I go to bed. That's been amazing. But yeah, I learned that carrot seed and lavender have SPF properties. So I have all that in here. I'm gonna put this little top back on. I'm going to make sure it's closed tight, and I'm going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. So, super important, you guys, to check the ingredients of your sunscreen and look at what you're using, because it's not good. It's getting absorbed into our bodies and creating lots of toxicity into our bodies. Okay, this is so awesome. I'm so excited to use this. Okay, so you shake it up. Now let's test it out. I haven't done this before, so we'll see if I did it right. And this is a new bottle, so it's probably gonna take a couple pumps. Look at that. I don't wanna keep using it because I'm not gonna go out in the sun tonight, but look. So there it is. Oh my gosh. And it goes right in. It doesn't leave that little bit of white residue. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, so that is the hack. And of course it smells amazing because it's got that lavender and carrot seed, and it feels great. It's totally moisturizing to your skin. So that's how you can take a tube, make it into a spray, and there you have it. I have the article, if you want me to share it to you, that I got this information from about the chemicals. I also have a really good, I think it's about a 5-minute clip from a physician talking about the dangers of sunscreen, that are out there that have the toxic chemicals. So if you want that video, just message me or comment below and I'll shoot you that video. I can send you the video and the article, 2 different things, but both packed full of great information. So, as we say, the more you know, the better choices you make. We don't know what we don't know. I mean, for years, well, back in the day, I used to bake out in the sun when I thought that, it was cool to be tan. Now it's like, I want to be in the shade and I want to put as much sunscreen on possible. And it wasn't until 3 years ago that I found Young Living sunscreen that was pure with no chemicals. So let me know. I'll drop the bottle in the comments so you can get it off of Amazon if you want to try this. So let me know if you try this hack. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and let me know if you want the video of the physician talking about it. Oh, you know what? And it's Friday night. So y'all have a great night. Friday night, just poured a glass of wine. Cheers to an amazing weekend. All right, y'all. See you later.